Hey everyone, it is Friday and it's the Friday of a long weekend. So I am trying something new today. I'm trying to go live on my public page, my personal page, and my oil page. So anyway, bear with me, but hopefully. So I wanted to show you guys, I don't know if you've seen the post earlier where we've got this incredible special, and I posted an extra special that I'm offering. And so I'm going to show you part of, well, actually I want to show you all that you can get. But if you saw my ad like this, okay, I want to show you guys what it is. So if you don't have your own account yet, you can get this Simple Solutions. It's the Deep Blue Rub, which is great for all things that ache. And the On Guard, all things immune. Serenity, all things sleep and calming. And then the lemon, all thing cleansing. So you buy these four. Then I'm going to show you, and supplies are limited. So the citrus bloom is already like 65% sold out, maybe 70% by now. So I want to show you what you get. My box. So this is the citrus bloom collection. You get the the body lotion, you get the awesome body wash, and you only get the body wash in this because the body wash is not yet available for individual sales. So you get the body wash as well. You get the deodorant, which I love the deodorant. Guys, you probably won't like it, but I'm sure there's a girl in your life that probably needs some less stinky armpits, okay? So get it for her. And you get the citrus bloom, the foaming hand wash, and the cute little pump that goes with it. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that. And only in this bundle, you also get the citrus bloom roller. Now I love citrus bloom. It smells really, really good. You only get the roller if you buy the this collection, I'll say, and it's only $47.50 for the collection. Okay, so you're going to get your Simple Solutions, which includes your free account, okay? Then you're going to add your, can't hold it all up, that's okay, your citrus bloom stuff, okay? And so you're going to be able to get that at a huge discount. And again, the citrus bloom is selling out really, really fast. Then the next thing we have is a brand new oil, which is Midnight Forest. Isn't the bottle pretty? Midnight Forest. And the new Pilot diffuser, and it's the Midnight. So I haven't even opened this yet, but I'm going to show you what it's similar to. I'll open it just, I don't know if I should have pre-opened it so it would be a little bit easier. Oh, not bad. Okay, cool. Easy go. Here we go. Let's see. Well, I said it's easy. Maybe not. It's stuck in there really good. So, but I want to show you because I'm outside, because I love being outside. Of course, my dogs are outside. Oh, no wonder it's taped at the bottom. That's why I couldn't get it out. There we go. That was better. Oh, look, it comes in this cute case. So this is going to be awesome for travel. Look how cute this case is. Had no idea. So it's got this little handle. I'm just going to zip it. Oh, look, there's room for your oils. I don't know if you can see that or not. There's room for oils right here. And it's secured in here. Look at this cute Pilot diffuser. This would be great. Oh, it's already on, guys. I guess it charged a little bit. And it's got its own little charger, but it's great for your car. So this is, I didn't know it came in a case, but look at this. How nice is this? Can't beat it. And you get the brand new oil, and it's one of the wood oils. It smells awesome. I'm going to show you about the my diffuser that I have going right now is the Rome diffuser. And I leave it plugged in all the time, but the cool thing is, you see it steaming? Do you know what I have going on since I'm outside? citronella. Yeah, because it's almost June and the bugs and gnats and stuff are out. But look, no cords. So I took it from inside and brought it outside. So I have that diffusing right next to me too. So what else is in my box, you may ask? And this was just a bonus box for me this month. So because I wanted the specials, I wanted the citrus bloom and I wanted the new Pilot diffuser with the brand new oil, okay? It was time to renew my account. Well, it's $25 renewal, but I get a free large peppermint, which is $21 or $22.50. So to have my account, it only cost me like $4 or $5. And then I ordered the cinnamon bark, because you have to order one regular item, and I needed cinnamon bark because I put it in my coffee every morning. It makes it wonderful. It's also great to help reduce those who struggle with sugar stuff. And so yeah, that was what's in my box. So what do I have for you guys? So remember, I showed you buy these and the citrus bloom and the Pilot with the new oil, all this, okay? $212, okay? If you order by Sunday night, I think I said 11 p.m. on my post, do it by Sunday night, then I have a couple extra goodies that you can choose from, okay? So, and depending on when my other shipment comes in, you may have something else to choose from. But it'll be pending. I'll let you choose. But I have some extra goodies as well that you would get free. So only for me. I'm only offering it. That's just my own personal offer. And sorry, my phone is like leaning down. And so again, that's only for me. And don't forget, geranium is 15% off this month. So geranium is normally $31 and you can get it for $26.35, so that's a great deal on that. And I don't know if any of y'all have heard of this thing that's been going around for the last 14 months. And so some of the issues with that, I had it for about 3 months, was incredible, stupid amounts of hair loss. And it's growing back, guys. I'm using my vitamins, my Lifelong Vitality vitamins, so that's been super, super helpful. And so it's getting thicker, and it's, you know, it's a lot better than it was. It's amazing. Yeah, I look great on a Friday, right? But I mean, you see, it's really kind of, it's there. I'm just got it pulled back because, yeah, it was in my way today. So let me give you guys a great recipe for hair growth spray. You're going to use your geranium, which you're going to get 15% off to the end of this month. You're going to add cedarwood, clary sage, lavender, and peppermint. You're going to put 10 drops of each of that in a spray bottle similar to this, and then top it off with water. And you're just going to spray it on your hair and rub it in to your roots and around your crown, and you will be amazed. So some other cool things about geranium is the emotional benefits. I'm going to quickly read and I'm going to jump off because it's Friday and I know you guys got other things to do, but some of you may be sitting in traffic, so you may be listening to me and not watching me because you're sitting in traffic, right? So anyway, so this is one of the cool books. So geranium is good for clearly all things hormonal, especially for females, but it also has emotional components. So it can help aid in healing a broken heart. It encourages emotional honesty. So it's the oil of love and trust, and we talked about this earlier in the month. I think I went through this. So it can help you with some negative emotions: abandoned, lost, distrusting, unforgiving, unloving, disheartened, heavy-hearted, grieving. It also helps encourage positive emotions of emotional healing, empathetic and trusting, forgiving, gentle, loving, tolerant, and open. Some great companion oils are copaiba, which I put a couple drops of copaiba and frankincense under my tongue every morning. It really helps with the just the cells within my body to do the things that they need to do on a regular basis. Manuka Marjoram. Now I use marjoram. I put marjoram, I just drop it straight out of the bottle on my spine at night, because at night sometimes my legs decide that they don't quite want or not ready to go to sleep when I'm ready to go to sleep, if you get my drift. Marjoram, I can put a few drops on at just right on the back of my spine, and usually within about 10 or 15 minutes it's good to go, and it's very calming, and so it helps me sleep as well. Neroli is also one of those oils we got, I think it was product of the month, or maybe it was reduced, I can't remember, a couple months ago. And that's also a hormonal oil both for men and women. So if you got some libido issues, Neroli is and ylang ylang. And ouch, got a red ant out here. Rose, forgive, and pink pepper. So pink pepper. So again, with the geranium, you can inhale it. You can use it all three ways. You can use it aromatically, which is either put it in your hand, smell it. I have spearmint on my shirt because it's supposed to help me be able to speak more fluently. You can also aromatically diffuse it. If you don't have a diffuser, let's get you a diffuser. Let's get you this super cute Pilot diffuser. Oh my gosh. You can put it with a carrier oil and apply it over your heart. If you have some hormonal or libido stuff going on, you can put it around your belly button. Make sure you don't go out in the sun 24 hours because it is photosensitive. So yeah, I don't want to get blistered wherever you decide to put the oil. And you can also take it internally. I'm only talking about doTERRA's geranium. So again, hair growth spray, muscles, sleep, immune, cleansing. Okay, then you've got all the fun stuff, all the citrus bloom, the body wash, the soap, the dispenser, and deodorant, and hand lotion, and the roll-on. So you get your own personal perfume if you want. And then the super cute Pilot diffuser, because it's oh so cute. It's oh so cute. I wonder if I put stuff in it, if it'll, see, you just put this obviously comes out. We just put a little bit of water, just a tiny bit. See where it says max? Just a tiny bit. Yep. And then it's got a USB thing, so you can just charge it right in your car. This is perfect to sit in your cup holder too. And if you're on those little trips that you need a little peace and quiet in the car because the kids are crazy, then yeah, get your Pilot diffuser. Again, these things are selling out. The citrus bloom and the Pilot are selling out really quick. So you guys go ahead and jump on this offer. Again, if you order by tomorrow night, the 30th, whatever night that is, Monday night, the 30th. If you put your order in by then with me, then you'll get some extra goodies from me, and I'll let you choose from what I have to offer that will best meet your needs. All right, have a wonderful Friday. Remember all those as we're it is Memorial Day, and we need to stop and just remember the men and women that have given up so much and given up everything. Some gave all just so that we could be free to be on social media, free for tree limbs to be falling, just free, you know. Don't take it for granted. Reach out to a veteran, love on somebody, love on your neighbor, and I will see you guys later. Have a great weekend. Bye.